When people ask which Linux distribution makes the best daily driver, the conversation almost always circles back to two familiar names, Zorin OS and Linux Mint. Both are designed to be friendly, polished, and dependable, especially for users who want Linux to just work. With the release of Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2, that debate has become more interesting than ever. These aren't experimental releases or niche spins. They're mature operating systems targeting everyday users who rely on their computers for real work, real creativity, and real downtime. So the big question is simple but important. Between Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2, which one truly makes the better daily driver? Let's start by setting the stage. A daily driver isn't about flashy features or bragging rights. It's about stability, comfort, performance, and trust. It's the operating system you boot into every morning, the one you expect not to break after an update, the one that doesn't fight you when you're trying to get things done. Both Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 understand this mission extremely well, but they approach it from slightly different philosophies, and those differences matter more than they might seem at first glance. Zorin OS 18 continues Zorin's long-standing goal of being a bridge between Windows and Linux. From the moment you boot it up, it feels intentional, modern, and visually refined. The desktop layout is immediately familiar to users coming from Windows 10 or even Windows 11, depending on how you configure it. The taskbar sits where you expect it. System indicators behave predictably, and the overall design language feels cohesive. Animations are smooth but not overdone, icons are crisp, and spacing feels deliberate. Zorin clearly wants users to feel comfortable within minutes, not days. Linux Mint 222, on the other hand, doubles down on familiarity in a more traditional sense. It doesn't chase modern design trends as aggressively, and that's by design. Mint has always prioritized clarity, efficiency, and consistency over visual experimentation. Cinnamon, Mint's flagship desktop environment, feels like a perfected version of the classic desktop metaphor. Menus are logical, panels are configurable but stable, and nothing feels like it's trying to reinvent the wheel. For many users, especially those who've been around desktop computing for decades, this feels reassuring rather than boring. When it comes to installation, both operating systems do an excellent job, but they cater to slightly different audiences. Zorin OS 18's installer feels sleek and modern, with clear prompts and minimal friction. It's very friendly to newcomers, especially those installing Linux for the first time. Options are presented in a way that doesn't overwhelm, and defaults are sensible. Linux Mint 22.2 feet-seconds installer is a bit more traditional, but also incredibly reliable. It's straightforward, fast, and proven. Mint's installer may not win any design awards, but it gets the job done with near perfect consistency, which longtime users deeply appreciate. Once installed, performance becomes a critical factor for daily use. On modern hardware, both Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 run smoothly, but there are subtle differences in how they feel. Zorin OS 2, especially with its GNOME-based foundation customized by the Zorin team, feels slightly heavier. Animations, transitions, and visual effects are well optimized, but they do consume more resources. On newer laptops and desktops, this isn't an issue at all, but on older machines, you might notice a bit more RAM usage compared to Mint. Linux Mint 22.2 shines when it comes to efficiency. Cinnamon has been refined over many years to balance usability and performance, and it shows. The system feels snappy, responsive, and predictable, even on hardware that's several years old. CPU usage tends to remain low during idle, and memory consumption is generally more conservative. This makes Mint particularly attractive to users who want a dependable system that doesn't demand top-tier hardware to perform well. Software management is another major piece of the daily driver puzzle. Zorin OS 18 leans heavily into Flatpak support out of the box, presenting users with a modern app ecosystem that includes sandboxed, up-to-date applications. The Zorin software store is clean and approachable, and installing common apps feels similar to using an app store on a mainstream operating system. This approach is great for users who want newer software versions without worrying about dependencies or system stability. Linux Mint 22.2 takes a more cautious, conservative approach. While it does support Flatpaks, Mint encourages users to rely primarily on system packages from its. This means applications may not always be the absolute latest version, but they are thoroughly tested and tightly integrated into the system. For daily use, this often translates to fewer surprises. Updates feel safer, compatibility issues are rare, and the system maintains a strong sense of internal consistency. Updates themselves are an area where Linux Mint truly distinguishes itself. Mint's Update Manager is one of the best in the Linux world for everyday users. It clearly explains what updates do, categorizes them by risk level, and gives users control without demanding deep technical knowledge. This creates trust. You don't feel anxious about clicking the update button. And over time, that peace of mind becomes incredibly valuable in a daily driver. Zorin OS 18 also handles updates well, but it feels slightly more. Updates are smoother and more automatic, which some users will love and others might find a bit opaque. Zorin's philosophy leans toward reducing friction and decision-making for the user, which fits its beginner-friendly identity. For users who just want the system to quietly stay up to date, this approach works beautifully. Hardware compatibility is another critical factor, especially for laptops. Both Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 benefit from a modern Linux kernel and Ubuntu foundations, meaning most hardware works out of the box. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth touchpads, and external displays are generally handled well on both systems. Linux Mint, however, has a long-standing reputation for excellent driver management, particularly with proprietary graphics drivers. Its driver manager tool makes installing and switching drivers simple and transparent. Zorin OS 18 also offers solid driver support, but it sometimes abstracts the process a bit more. For NVIDIA users, both systems work well, but Mint's tools feel slightly more direct and informative. For a daily driver, especially if you rely on GPU performance for gaming or creative work, that extra clarity can be a deciding factor. Customization is where personal preference really starts to dominate. Zorin OS 18 offers impressive customization options right out of the box, especially when it comes to layout switching. You can quickly change the look and feel of the desktop to mimic different operating systems, which is great for users transitioning from Windows or Mac. The system encourages exploration without overwhelming the user. Linux Mint 22.2 offers deeper customization over time rather than instant transformation. Cinnamon settings allow you to tweak nearly every aspect of the desktop, from panel behavior to window animations, but it expects the user to engage with those settings deliberately. This makes Mint feel like a system that grows with you. The more time you spend with it, the more you shape it into your own environment. Stability is arguably the most important aspect of a daily driver, and this is where Linux Mint has built its legendary reputation. Mint is famously conservative with changes, prioritizing reliability over novelty. Linux Mint 22.2 continues this tradition, delivering a system that feels rock solid. Crashes are rare, regressions are uncommon, and updates almost never disrupt work. For users who depend on their computer for work, this reliability is priceless. Zorin OS 18 is also stable, but it tends to be slightly more ambitious in terms of design and feature integration. That ambition pays off in polish and modern appeal, but it can occasionally introduce small quirks, especially when mixing newer technologies. These issues are usually minor and quickly addressed, but they do exist. For most users, they won't be deal breakers, but they're worth mentioning in a daily driver comparison. Community and support matter more than people realize, especially over the long term. Linux Mint has one of the largest, most welcoming communities in the Linux ecosystem. Documentation is extensive, forums are active, and solutions to common problems are easy to find. When something goes wrong, chances are someone else has already experienced it and documented a fix. Zorin OS has a smaller but passionate community. Support resources are solid, and the official documentation is well written. But the ecosystem isn't as vast as Mint's. That said, Zorin's focus on simplicity often means fewer things go wrong in the first place, especially for users who stick close to default configurations. When it comes to daily productivity, both systems excel, but they cater to slightly different mindsets. Zorin OS 18 feels like a modern appliance. It's sleek, intuitive, and designed to fade into the background while you work. It's especially appealing to users who value aesthetics, smooth transitions, and a contemporary user experience. Linux Mint 22.2 feels like a trusted tool. It may not look as flashy, but it's dependable, transparent, and predictable. It rewards users who value control, stability, and long-term reliability. It's the kind of system you can set up once and rely on for years without major changes. So which one is the better daily driver? The honest answer is that it depends on what you value most. If you want a visually modern, beginner-friendly Linux experience that feels polished and approachable, Zorin OS 18 is an excellent choice. It lowers the barrier to entry and delivers a refined desktop that feels at home in today's computing landscape. If you want maximum stability efficiency, and trust, Linux Mint 22.2 is hard to beat. It's a distribution built on patience and practicality, and that philosophy shines through in daily use. For users who want their operating system to stay out of the way and simply work, Mint remains one of the best daily drivers Linux has to offer. In the end, both Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 succeed because they respect the user's time. They don't demand constant attention, they don't push unnecessary complexity, and they don't treat stability as an afterthought. Choosing between them isn't about right or wrong. It's about choosing the style of comfort you want every time you sit down at your computer.